How to request a friend on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request in Lyft application. First of all, open it. So this interface will pop up. Now first, in order to request for a friend, you must add a rider friend. So this will automatically show it in your contacts. Now on the top, you can see request for a friend. Simply tap on it. So here, tap on add rider. So here, you must add a rider that you want to request. So after adding any rider, you can simply add the ride and select the destination that you want to go into. So simply tap on add this rider. So the rider has been invited. Now you can directly search them, directly request them to go to this direction. So it's up to them if they want to go or they are in the condition to go or not. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.